Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a brandied cherry panna cotta. First up, I have a jar of cherries, seedless. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this bowl and then I will add brandy to it and I will marinate it for at least an hour. I want the cherries to soak in brandy and have that really nice flavor to it. So we're just gonna put the brandy over it and let it sit for about an hour. If you want, you can let it sit for more. Now I got 2 glasses and I'm just gonna pop these in the middle, just on the bottom, on both of them, like that. And then I have a crumbed up muffin, which looked like this. Crumbed up muffin, so this will be like the cake part. Got all of that in here. And this will also soak up some of that brandy flavor from the cherries. I'm going to do the same on the other one. And I will top it off with the cherries, but only on the outside. So just go around in a circle like that, and it smelled so amazing. That's gonna make it look so gorgeous. Now I got a pan with 1 ounce of hot water. It's heating up right now, and I added a teaspoon of gelatin. This is non-flavored, so it has no flavor in it or sugar, and I'm just gonna heat it up until it all dissolves. I do not want any pieces in it, and I am using a silicone spatula, and now you can see that it's all been dissolved. Now I have a cup of yogurt. I'm just gonna add this to it and then gently mix it all together. I want that gelatin mixed out and dissolved all through the yogurt. And in a few minutes it should look like this. It's very creamy and it's all dissolved. Now I got some vanilla paste and I'm just gonna mix it up in here because I want those little vanilla beans to show. And we're gonna top this off, and I'm first putting it to the side and making sure that it goes all the way down and there's no air left in it. And the second one, see first the sides, filling all that space in. And these we're gonna put in the fridge for about 10-15 minutes until they are solid. So into the fridge, and done. The yogurt is now solid. Next up we have some cherries, and we're gonna put it just on the side like before, all around. And these have also been soaked in brandy, so there's that alcohol kick in it. You can also soak it in whiskey or rum, dark rum. I recommend dark rum. And if you're making this dessert for multiple people, then just double your ingredients. Alright, I'm gonna leave some space in the middle, and I'm gonna put more of that delicious muffin right in there. I'm gonna stuff it in. This way there will be multiple layers of everything. It's like a little surprise as well. And I got some chocolate syrup, and I'm gonna put it on top. I guess with all this, it kinda has the same flavor as a Black Forest cake. But this isn't a cake. This is more than a cake. This is a special dessert. And on top of the chocolate, I'm gonna add the rest of the yogurt. So just put it in equally at first to make sure I don't run out before it all filled up. And then first it slides off, see? And then the other one. And this will also go back into the fridge until it's solid. So now into the fridge. And we're done. On top, I'm gonna shave some chocolate, and this will give a very nice flavor to the topping. And I think it's gorgeous as well. And now just gonna add the rest of the cherries. If you do not want the cherries to have alcohol in it, you can skip the soaking and brandy part and just use the regular cherries. I'm going to dip in and see what it looks like. The inside. Look at that. And see how all that muffin kind of soaked in that juice from the cherries. So it's not just plain and bland, it's also flavorful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you do try out this recipe because it was very fun and very easy and delicious. Bon appetit!